In this video, you'll learn how to add someone to a private Slack channel. By following these steps, you will be able to invite new members to your selected channel quickly and efficiently. Start by opening the Slack application on your device or navigating to the Slack website in your browser. Once you have access, locate the private channel you wish to modify from your channel list. This list is typically found on the left side of the Slack interface. Click on the name of the private channel at the top of the conversation window. This action will open the channel details sidebar on the right side of the screen. You will see various options related to the channel, including member information and settings. Next, look for the option labeled Members within the channel details. Click on Members to view the current members of the channel. After this step, you should see an option to Add People. This is usually located near the top of the members list. Click Add People to open a new window where you can search for the person you want to invite. In the search bar, start typing the name or email address of the individual you wish to add. As you type, Slack will suggest matching users from your organization, making it easier to find the right person. Once you see the correct person in the search results, select their name. After selecting, you will notice that their name is now highlighted in the selection area. To finalize the addition, click the Add button. This action will send an invitation to the selected individual to join your private channel. It is important to note that adding someone to a private channel will require their acceptance of the invitation if they are not already a member of your workspace. Keep in mind that if the private channel is full, or if you encounter any restrictions due to channel settings, you may not be able to add additional members. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.